Hey guys, I just downloaded this game. It's called Super Raft Boat VR. It's where you're supposed to make a raft to another person. Yeah, I hope it'll be fun. Let's hop right into it. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. Let's go. So excited. Whoa. Tutorial. Use your hammer to build and place a field. Let's go. Use a gun to shoot enemies. Alright, let's go. I wonder how I move. I guess I'll just hit play. Alright. Play. Just get right into it. I care about that tutorial. Shoot! Oh sh! Oh sh! Oh sh! Oh sh! Get away from me! Get away! I must be a distant game. Oh no, come on! Oh shoot! Oh no! Shark! Why can't I aim? Oh, shoot one behind me! Bro, I have super reflexes skills. You can't. Oh, no! Get out! Help me! Help me! Oh my god! Coming! Oh shoot! No! 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 Wait, that's a big boy! This is actually so intense. I don't think I can do this. Why can't I aim? What the? Did you see how ginormous that was? ginormous that shark was? Oh my god. If I'm doing something like that. Oh no. Let's pick up. Yeah. Hope I get this one. Oh no, not that. What? Oh no. Get away! Sure, I fell. No, one of those. Uno, dos, tres. Oh my god, come on. Okay. 16 curves. Cool. Why? Just gonna start off by placing no. Replacement? Not you, not you, not you, not you. You took out two? Where is it? Oh my god, this is actually so intense. Get out of here. Oh. Hello? What? Whoa! What is that? I'm just looking to see what I was. Oh my god. What done? Which are? Ooh. And why I accidentally hit the tutorial? Oh no, come on. Alright. Have my gun, hammer. I hammered it out like that. Oh my god. No, no. Yeah, like if you want more videos like this. I should probably check behind me, shouldn't I? I'm gonna use I'm not gonna even use it. No, this actually. Oh my. Oh my. Oh, shoot. Well, this is actually crazy how I saved this one. The things that you want to watch out most is those, like, sharks. Especially those big ones. Like that. Woo. Wow. Shark. I'm John Wick. I'm John Wick. No, no! Oh, please, Johnny! 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 My God. Please. Oh my God, I already did this. Watch me. I'm gonna dodge you. Watch me. Yeah, this is going out real bad. Just watch it. Oh. gonna keep on going into it. Oh my god. Oh, my raft! Oh, what if I don't show it? Oh yeah. I'm missing it. I'm actually trying to hit it. Hit me, come on, do it! I wonder what happens if it hit there. Hit me, come on, do it! Oh, it just does that. Let's see how much. 72. You have to give me something. Alright. So, well, guys, that will be it for today. It's gonna be it. Make sure to download Super Raft Boat VR. Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe.